couple things on the air compressor. I removed the air filter out of it because I charged it to the 100 psi till it stopped, and then I turned on the regulator to full blast on the filter and let it sit overnight, and then it slowly leaked the air out. So I replaced the rusty coupler with a new brass one. These things, I think I paid maybe $2 or $3 for it at Harbor Freight, and this is what I think it should go. It's gonna go there. Okay, and then this one got painted. I took a wire wheel to it. This is Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer. It's black. It's great. It's still holding at a little bit less than 80 psi because I used some of the air to purge the tip, because I set it on the ground yesterday when I was so I washed it because I had to degrease the tank so I could paint it, or prep it for paint and then paint it. So I had some mud in here and I purged it out with a little bit of psi in here, so I sacrificed 10 or so psi of air. It's still holding. It's working great. So I like this aesthetic, the black and the bronze. It looks very classy looking, very steampunk-ish thing. So I've decided where these suckers are gonna go, the compressor and the tank. They're gonna go up here on this segment of the wall. I should have enough clearance to put the compressor up here, right up there, right? And then I'll take those brackets off and move those air tools out of the way so I can mount the tank there with some plumber strap. I believe is what I'm going to end up using. I'll get some metallic bronze paint to make the aesthetic match. I might paint the wall again with some white or whatever color I have mixed in the back. It's raining outside. It's been raining all morning. That's leftover smoldering coals from last night. So it's somewhat clean. The shed is still maintaining I'm trying to maintain the floor clean for the shed. I tried getting more of these anti-fatigue mats. I got these by mistake. They are foot square mats. They may actually work out for the outside area. I'm just going to glue them to like a 1/4 inch sheet of plywood or 1/2 inch sheet of plywood, some pressure treated plywood, and that'll help out there. What else? Oh yeah, so I'm selling the tabletop bandsaw because I don't use it. I got this router table, this Tornado router table. I believe it's a Harbor Freight router table. I got it about a year ago on a trade for some labor. It's been sitting here collecting sawdust, so I'm not really using it. And the job site table that I have is more than enough to do as a router attachment point, so I could do that if I wanted to have a router table, but still haven't used it. What else? I'm getting ready to relocate this segment of crap out of here all the way so I can get that panel off the wall and insulate the wall behind it. And then before I discombobulate this wall off the studs, I'm going to redo the DeWalt wall outdoor power tools. I'll probably put everything here on this side into the corner, a little bit lower, put a shelf up top, maybe put an outlet up top there in that corner with a battery charger, and put the a couple of battery holders up there. I want to get some 5 to 10 amp hour DeWalt batteries specifically just for the outdoor power tools. The 5 and 4 amp batteries work fine for the drills, and I have a 2 amp there, and that's still good enough for that. I don't use them enough to justify having heavy duty batteries for the drills. I'm still sorting this stuff out. I think the new home for the handsaw will go there. This is cleaned out, right? I don't have storage for my hardware, which is what that thing is. The box below that is all my boats related stuff, all my electrical conduit straps, bits, bobs for doing the electrical work on the shed are here. That battery box is empty. That's for that battery. I've been out another battery box for that battery. Trying to get somewhat safe. My extra hooks and caddies are there. Once I have homes for them, they'll go up on the wall. What else are we doing here? Oh yeah, so that is going to be for pesticide. Once it stops raining, I can load it up with Bison or Bifin. It's Bifin pesticide. I have one for herbicide, so I'm gonna have one for each. I need to clean that fan. That's my old extraction fan. Needs to go there, and then I need to sort that out. The chair. I mean, this is a small 10 by 12 shed that I've sheathed the inside with OSB. As you can see, it has some mold issue from moisture. Eventually, I would like to open and remove everything that's on the floor out and get some self-leveling cement to be able to have nice flooring in here. But for right now, the anti-fatigue mat will be enough. I think I need another, I don't know, 2 or 3 kits. Maybe, yeah, these are 2 by 2 feet right here. There's 24 by 24 inches. So another row here, another row there. So that's 2. And then a 3rd row to go across the back to tie it all together. So everything here will be anti-fatigue. And then I will play around with the Shark corded mini bag that's back there under the Infinity Gauntlet. That's right there. And I'll get rid of this trash can. And that's my degreaser. Anyway, that's it for today. Unfortunately, it's raining. I'm not doing anything outside other than sorting this crap out again.